Yes, sir. So the most that we can apply as an
Right, let's
adjustment is
go.
$100, and that will go into effect today for you. Check credit. I can definitely see if I can get my supervisor on the line for you. Just bear with me a few seconds. This is what it looks like happening, and I'm going to feel I have to type it in the chat and get your supervisor. So let me explain it, and you tell me if this sounds about right. It looks like when you originally did the order online, you put in a ship to, so we would have to send you a SIM card, which technically with your phone you don't. Hear me out. So right. So, but when you did the order, that's what you did it as. That's all I'm saying. It's not that I don't know that you don't need a SIM card. I know that. All right, just give me a second. Let me just get a seat for you. Hold on 1 second. All right. I got time to go through all this.
Yeah. Good work, Silver. Sonic, take us home. You in this. Don't sell us out. Don't sell us out, cause we got that on lock. We got that dog. Get ready, baby. Bus for victory, good luck doing that.
Alright, Mr. Fernandez, I'm just waiting on the supervisor. Please bear with me a few moments, okay? Alright, no problem.
There's yeah, good luck stopping that. Good luck stopping this. Okay.